guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to exfoliate the skin. We're going to get rid of grease and dirt from the skin. We're going to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. We're also going to shrink large open pores. We're going to get rid of dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. We are going to transform your skin. And what are we going to use to do this? I am going to show you how to make an exfoliator, an anti-aging exfoliator that will get the job done in just 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes out of your busy schedule to get your skin looking amazing. So if you're looking for fast result, if you're looking for bright, radiant, glowing skin, then you might need to try this. So follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe, and guess what? After the recipe, do not click off because I have a live demonstration for you showing you how I personally use it on my skin for a more radiant, naturally glowing skin. Before I get in the kitchen, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it. We also have membership on this channel. If you want to share your input, if you want to be more than just a subscriber, you can become a member. To become a member, just click on that giant button below and it will take you to the membership page. Now continue watching the video. Today I'm going to be using some green tea, and green tea is rich in antioxidants that are known to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, boosts collagen production, and help your skin to look healthy with a natural glow. I'm going to be using 1 tea bag. However, if you have loose green tea, go ahead and use a teaspoon of the green tea. Definitely blend and then pour in a small bowl. If you do not have green tea and you have matcha powder, use 1/4 of a teaspoon of matcha powder. Next, I'm going to reach for baking soda. And some of you are a little skeptical about baking soda, but when it comes on to exfoliating the skin, it is a perfect base for exfoliating, getting rid of dead skin cells, cleaning out those pores, and leave the skin just with a soft, radiant glow. I'm using a tablespoon of the baking soda, and I'm going to mix this with the green tea. 1 tablespoon baking soda. If you want to opt out, if you're using baking soda, go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of a blended rice. Mix the two together like we did here. Now I'm going to reach for some liquid. My liquid of choice is olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidant, help to soften the skin, help to hydrate the skin. It's a thicker oil which makes it great for dry skin. Help your skin to be smooth, and when mixed with these two ingredients, oh my goodness, it's gonna leave your skin just looking healthy, clear, bright, radiant. I'm using a tablespoon of the olive oil. Pour this in. However, before I start mixing this together, I'm going to reach for some aloe vera gel, and this is what's gonna help that baking soda to be gentle on the skin. 1 tablespoon of this aloe vera gel, and we're gonna mix this in. So we're mixing green tea, baking soda, olive oil, and aloe vera gel. Such an amazing combination. However, do not take my word for it. You definitely will need to give this a try for yourself. This is just taking this facial exfoliator to the next level, an exfoliator that I personally enjoy using on my skin, especially if I have not been treating my skin for a week or two. It's like a go-to exfoliator if you have somewhere to go, if you have an event coming up, you just want to look good, you want your skin to look good in a short period of time, this is for you. So mix it up, and now guess what, guys, it is ready. But I like to set it aside to infuse. Set it aside to infuse for an hour or two, and then it is ready to use on the skin. The beauty about this also is that you do not have to store it in a refrigerator. This you can leave on your countertop. You can make this and pour it in a small jar and use it up within a week. Now just take a bit of this and apply on your face. Apply it on your face, your neck, your décolleté, and you're going to work it in circular motion. If you have a lot of large open pores, I suggest you just steam the face before you use this on your face. Steam your face and then start exfoliating. You can also use this to exfoliate your face while you're steaming your face. It is just that good. So exfoliate your face, your neck, your décolleté, and I like to exfoliate my face for about 2 to 3 minutes or so, and then I rinse this off. This one you're not going to let sit on your skin. You're going to rinse this one off right away, right after your 3 minutes max. You rinse this off and voila, revive beautiful looking skin, soft looking skin. You have hyperpigmentation, use this 2 to 3 times per week. You have large open pores, 2 to 3 times a week. You have rough textured skin, 2 to 3 times a week. You're looking for bright skin, you're looking for glowing skin, you're looking for younger, fresher looking skin, 2 to 3 times a week. And guess what, guys? Remember, no need to store it in your refrigerator.